Hey everyone! Have you ever been browsing the web and stumbled upon something called Gemini? Maybe you encountered it in a news article, a research paper, or even chatting with a large language model online. That's right, there's a whole world of artificial intelligence out there, and Gemini happens to be the name behind a powerful language model family. But with such a cool, space-age name, you might be wondering, where on Earth, or perhaps beyond, did this Gemini company come from? Well, buckle up, knowledge seekers, because the answer isn't quite as straightforward as you might think. Here's the thing, there isn't actually a single Gemini company in the traditional sense. Let me explain. Gemini is a language model developed by a tech giant you're probably very familiar with, Google. Google has a whole division dedicated to cutting-edge research in artificial intelligence, and that's where Gemini comes in. Think of it this way, Google is like a massive university with all sorts of different departments. One of those departments is specifically focused on AI research, and within that department, there's a team working on this project called Gemini. So, instead of being a standalone company, Gemini is more like a product of Google's ongoing quest to push the boundaries of language technology. Now, this might leave you wondering, but wait, isn't Google an American company? Absolutely. Google's headquarters are in Mountain View, California, USA. So, in that sense, you could say Gemini is an American-made AI project. However, the beauty of the digital world is that it transcends borders. Google has research facilities all over the globe, with some of the brightest minds in AI working on projects like Gemini. So, while the project itself might have an American origin story, the development process likely involves talented individuals from all corners of the world. This international collaboration is actually quite common in the world of AI research. It takes a village, as they say, to build these complex language models, and Gemini is no exception. Here's another interesting twist. While Google might be the driving force behind Gemini, it's not guaranteed that the technology will remain exclusive to them. Just like other groundbreaking research projects, there's a chance that Gemini's underlying technology could be shared with the broader scientific community in the future. This openness allows other researchers and companies to build upon Gemini's foundation, potentially leading to even more advanced language models and applications. So, to summarize our little Gemini mystery, there isn't a single Gemini company. It's a language model developed by Google's AI research division. While Google is an American company, the development process likely involves international collaboration. The technology behind Gemini might eventually be shared with the wider AI community. There you have it, folks. Hopefully, this video shed some light on the origins of this intriguing language model. Remember, the world of AI is constantly evolving, and Gemini is just one piece of the puzzle. As AI continues to develop, it'll be fascinating to see how it shapes the way we interact with technology and the world around us. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.